Hi, I'm Raza, and this is Zagros Village. Apple Vision Pro, the future of mixed reality. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first mixed reality XR headset, combining augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR. Launched in 2024, this device pushes the boundaries of technology with its advanced design, high-resolution displays, and innovative user interface. Key features: 1. Micro-OLED ultra-high-resolution displays. Vision Pro features dual micro-OLED displays, delivering over 23 million pixels per eye for an unmatched visual experience. 2. Powerful M2 and R1 chips. Apple has equipped this headset with two separate chips, the M2 chip for main processing and the R1 chip for real-time sensor and camera data processing. This ensures a seamless and lag-free experience. 3. Eye, hand, and voice control. Unlike other headsets that rely on physical controllers, Vision Pro offers advanced eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice commands for a more natural and intuitive interaction. 4. Visionos, a revolutionary operating system. Vision Pro runs on Visionos, a custom version of iOS optimized for mixed reality experiences. It allows users to run iPhone and iPad apps in a 3D environment. 5. Spatial audio for an immersive sound experience. The headset features spatial audio technology, providing a truly immersive 3D sound experience that makes users feel like they are inside the virtual world. 6. FaceTime in the virtual world. Apple introduces Persona, a digital avatar that recreates the user space for natural video calls in virtual meetings. Applications: entertainment and movie watching. Experience movies on a massive virtual screen. Gaming in AR and VR, a fully immersive experience for gamers. Productivity and work. Work with multiple virtual windows simultaneously. 3D design and modeling, a powerful tool for architects, designers, and engineers. Pricing and availability. Apple Vision Pro is priced at $3,499 and is currently available only in the United States, with plans for expansion to other markets in the future. Conclusion: Vision Pro is a revolutionary product that showcases the future of technology. With powerful hardware, advanced displays, and controller-free interaction, it not only introduces a new level of mixed reality experiences, but also has the potential to redefine personal computing.